Hello, welcome back to Ayaanseasymath. Today we are going to see one logical problem. Let m is greater than n be z positive integer such that 3 into 3mn minus 2 whole square minus 2 into 3m minus 3n whole square is equal to 2019. Find 3m plus n value. So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it out. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you, Amma. So how to solve this problem? So what is given? 3 into 3mn minus 2 whole square minus 2 into 3m minus 3n whole square is equal to 2019. So here you have to find the value of m and n, and then you have to find the value. So here first of all I am expanding this. A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here also a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to 2090 now. So I will multiply with 3. 29 m square, 27 m square n square minus 36 mn plus 12 minus 18 m square. So minus into minus plus 18 n square, 18 mn, 18 not 36 36 mn minus 18 n square is equal to 2090 now. So if you simplify it, 27 m square n square minus 18 m square, 36 mn plus minus 36 mn cancel, minus 18 n square plus 12 is equal to 2019. So here you'll write the factors, 3 into 9 m square n square, 2 into 9 m square, 3 into 6 3 into 6 n square plus 2 into 6 is equal to 2090 now. So here 9m square you can take common. 9m square into 3n square minus 2. Here you can take 6 common. 3n square minus 2 is equal to 2019. So here you'll get 9m square minus 6 into 3n square minus 2 is equal to 2019. So here what are the factors of 2019? 2019 can be written as 1 into 2019, 3 into 673. So here first case 9m square minus 6, m is greater than n, So 9m square we are taking as 2019, and 3n square minus 2 we are taking as 1. So 3n square is equal to 3, n square is equal to 1, n is equal to plus or minus 1. Now here you'll get 9m square is equal to 2025. M square is equal to 2025 by 9. M square equal to 225. M is equal to plus or minus 15. So here you are taking only positive values of Z. So 3m plus n. What is required here? 3m plus n. That implies 3 into 15 plus 1. 45 plus 1. You will get 46. So what about case 2? If you take second case, 9m square minus 6 will be 673, and 3n square minus 2 will be 3. So if you take here 3n square is equal to 5, n square is 5 by 3. Here you are not getting a square root value, so you are neglecting this. So here 9m square is equal to 679. M square is equal to 679 by 9. Exactly don't go. Therefore, our solution what we are having 3m plus n is equal to 46. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad.